Massive greetings in the name of the Most High. This is Daddy Reddss for Daddy Reddss Promotions, and this is Talking News. In this episode, which is the part 2 of Mr. Vegas saying who should be chosen, whether it's Garvey or Selassie as the face of Rastafari. You know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Show that you care. Talking News is here. Yeah, Mr. Vegas goes into detail, about who should be the face of Rastafari, whether it's who or who. Let me stop. Anyway, he also talks about the Maroons, black people, unity in general. But take it away, Mr. Vegas.
Almost everything when we talk about a reality. Everything. Even before me get more, me start ascertain more information. Everything when we talk about so far, a reality. Everything, every single thing when we talk about so far, a reality. And no fight can manifest. Remember when me and Daniel, the Maroon youth, talk, people burn me out, people cuss me out, people say if I make the man talk, this, that. I'm sorry, Daniel, you're my brother. Just remember, say, a treaty there, on a bank pan, it's not legit. Tell them. From Jamaica get independence, 1962, everything changed. From Jamaica get independence, 1962, the treaty became null and void. Based on where the British then implemented. We are one set of people, we are African. The things that no queen can save we have to save ourselves. All the division between black people, Maroon, Rasta, all of them things they need to cut out. Christianity, Islam, all of them things they need to cut out. Them find ways to divide up black people. Them find ways to make we feel like say, if we are part of the tribe, they are a part of the culture, they are a part of the whatever the person and our brother, the person and our sister. Division will kill black people. Division killing black people. No queen can save the Maroon them. None. Trick them get trick. Me tell Daniel. Me tell him. I say, Daniel, stop cuss the slaves them and call the slaves them, the ancestors them, all kind of names. And me and him kick off and me and him good. No, me and him my brother. Reason and him teach me. I learn from him. But sometimes the teacher have to listen to the students them too. You understand what I say? Because some of the time the students them take time out and do more research than what it privy to the teachers them when they used to have to go library. Now we have the information at our fingertips and some people will take the time out and research. You understand what I say? One piece of land in the world. One piece of land in the world when I belong to the Catholic Church. Or when I belong to Rome. One piece of land. A piece of land in England. Them control everywhere. Everywhere. And them run Africa. Them control everything. Everything. Yep. Even when election run in America, them have to go meet with the Pope. Even when election run in America, notice them go meet with the Pope. The Pope is the most powerful person on the face of the earth. The Pope is the most powerful person on the face of the earth. Remember that. Facts. If the Society of Jesus, which is the Jesuit, decides a war to start somewhere, it have to start. That was formulated by what? The Catholic Church. If the Catholic Church is a Hitler, if the Catholic Church decides that Hitler couldn't kill half the people, them couldn't kill half the people. Him couldn't kill half the people. The Catholic Church started SLAVERY. Facts. The Catholic Church canonized scriptures, carried out the Inquisition, the Crusades, and shaped the world. The whole world is shaped by the Catholic Church, by Rome. Know that. A long time I tell you now, I say I idiot. So I just go and play the fool. And I try to feed my youth them. When you go like Marcus Garvey, then go draw a bus load of people and demonstrate and kind of something, I'm not doing it. Because I know the same black people them wait to kill me. But I can come on my social media and tell you now, how you can go research it to yourself. And if you want to wake up, you wake up yourself. You understand what I say? Because somehow you need to stay asleep because I have nothing to go to eat. Because you lazy as fuck. Okay, Daniel. So the man come talk. Man said me no have no land what belongs to the Maroon them. You think him could have just said that? You think so the man could have just said that, so? Eh? You think him could have just said that, so? Them just make the Maroons them get away with some things and go on and things because them don't want to go up there with the military and kill innocent people because it look bad for them. Sometimes them just play down some things. Just like with the standoff with the brother, with the machine. The man who lead the police, them just say come. You could have called in the military and I'd be a dead people. The Queen would not defend that. You think so the Queen is a business? Never. That's why the government can sell the cockpit country or release it out. But they can't do nothing about it. Them not listen to me. So me an idiot. Black people too divisive. So the Rasta man them make Selassie the face of Rastafarian movement. So right now if you want to be a Rasta, you have to have certain criteria. You have to have long hair. You have to sing pan reggae rhythm. You have to sing quote unquote culture. The Rasta them can leave out a Rastafarianism and come sing what they want to sing and go back in. And they must still Rasta. But when you're ballad, you can't sing nothing else. You have to make certain so you either rap your head or something or you sing culture. Even when you sing culture as a ballad, they don't take you serious. So ballad, no fear sing that. Even people, if people see as a ballad that sing certain cultural lyrics, look on the youth when name was saying, sitting in your church on Sunday. Wonder who you gonna screw Monday. Who you gonna... The man they come out with a cultural thing and the people them see him as he says a ballad and done with him. You never get a next song. Go run out with ballad. And stop putting on the Rasta show them. So the man put Selassie as the face of Rastafarianism. Because they want to create a division. You understand me? I say, so Christian, a man who say my Christian can't be a Rasta. A man who say my Muslim can't be a Rasta. Because I think say I follow Selassie. So if a Christian say, no, I don't praise Selassie as God. Firebound for you can't be no Rasta. If I want to say, yo, I don't believe in a Selassie, you can't be no Rasta. If I want to say, yo, Selassie was a tyrant, oh, you can't be no Rasta, you fight Rasta. And that Rasta was created for. Rasta was created, Rastafarianism, was created to unite black people. It no matter your color your hair, the length of your hair, if you're bald, no matter if you want to wear robe, it no matter if you want to wear crocus bag, it no matter what. Rastafarianism was the idea from Marcus Garvey was for black people to unite, to come together as one people. and that I want to divide the people them. Want to use Rastafarianism and turn it into a religion and divide people. Want to come with no about a Solomonic tribe and Davidism and all of them something there. When none of them think they never exist. None of them something they never exist. Them think they are myth. I want to take the myth them and implement it in a movement when Marcus Garvey did have an idea and put Selassie upon the face and about say in come through Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ where? Where Jesus Christ I go? The black people something. Where Jesus Christ what? The Jesus Christ ship? The Jesus of Lubeck? And that not about? Uno divide up black people. After Marcus Garvey, I try to unite the people. And guess why I don't put Marcus Garvey for the face of Rastafarianism? You know why? Because I'm cuss Selassie. I want to know say I true me attack. Because Marcus Garvey burn out Selassie and call Selassie slave master. Marcus Garvey do that. And from Marcus Garvey do that, you know, hate Marcus Garvey. So because him never come and worship Selassie and put Selassie upon a pedestal like what Uno do. Uno distance yourself from Marcus Garvey and sparingly give him props him now and then. A year time we have to wait until Marcus Garvey birthday to talk about him. Facts. None of uno go up on stage and say, Marcus. I mean the people them say, Garvey, Mark, unless I'm birthday. Marcus, Garvey. No, uno say, Selassie. And say, Ja. And the people them I'm repeat what I say. I want to turn it into a never yet me hear none of the Rasta up on a stage and say, Marcus! When you sing two little songs, Daddy Marcus, he come to free us, Daddy Marcus, he come to save us. That alone, no, but you know your burning spear tell no, alright, allow me to tell, but burning spear say, no one remember old Marcus Garvey, no one remember old Marcus Garvey. Allow me to tell me say allow me to tell, and not trouble me, look. The great Burning Spears. Why Burning Spears say, no one remember, like I play for the nastiness, like I play one about say, yeah, Marcus Garvey in the Trinity, and I know what you talk about. Boy, we don't even remember Marcus Garvey. Marcus Garvey, we don't remember when my birthday, or when people, talk about him. Go ahead. Burning Spear. Can't trick me. Marcus Garvey was the face of Rastafarianism. Jamaica would be a better place. And the world would be a better place because the world, you're going to Ghana and some places now the people them don't know Marcus Garvey. You're going to Kenya and some places the youth them don't know Marcus Garvey. You're going to Senegal and those places the people them don't know Marcus Garvey. Because uno black people, uno Jamaican people, uno reverence Selassie and put Selassie upon the top of the hierarchy and put yourself under it and hold him up and don't reverence Marcus Garvey. Marcus Garvey will get strokes because of uno. Because Uno can fret over Uno and can cry for Uno and lose in life. Facts. No can't trick me. Oh man can talk on the bone I can beat. Beat on the bone. Come on, tell me say my beat me. Beat your mama. Corona. Hold them. Come to elder. I don't know. I'm gonna have a whole album named Marcus Garvey. Big up yourself. No one remember. Step on it. Burning Spear sing the most songs about Bob Marley. Bob Marcus Garvey, excuse me. Burning Spear sing the most songs about Marcus Garvey. Go down about Selassie! Oh, Tyron. So me say, allow me to tell no. Allow me to tell. I'm a bald head. Say Rasta man I say that. So we want to call, so we want to categorize as Rasta man I say that. Rasta man said that. No one remember Marcus Garvey. No one. The man will start the movement, when dump him off. Because I'm born out Selassie, I want to dump Marcus Garvey. I want to divisive, very divisive. If a man on a ball head, I don't stand with them. If a man na ball about Rasta, Selassie and Rary and them something, I don't stand with them. Rastafarian movement is supposed to be a Christian and can be a Rasta. Because Rastafarianism is supposed to be about unity, and everybody's supposed to unify, unite as students, so we can be unified. And that Rastafarianism should have preached. That Rastafarianism should be preaching for years now. And still divisive. Still to this day, a man afraid to talk because I'm afraid my Rasta come kill them. How man for afraid of Rasta? We don't afraid of Rasta from we are pitney when we used to hear about black heart man. Afraid of which Rasta? What for afraid of Rasta? How you can come tell a man come tell me say me and a Rasta, me feel low Rasta talk alone. You can't tell me about me and a Rasta. Me have to smoke a spliff now to look like a Rasta. I'm going to smoke it. For this you take, me smoke a spliff. You have a light it good. So this you take, alright? So. A sister with cream here, a sister with weave, must be able to be a Rasta, because Rasta is supposed to be an inner thing. When you put Rasta on the outside, that's why someone is so corrupted. Someone want a Rasta on a very corrupted. I hear them now, oh, you come talk about Rasta now through Nzinga. I not talk about Rasta through Nzinga. I years now me about Selassie. I go back, go check my page. Go check my page. A long time me about Selassie. A long time. I like Hannibal, I like Robert. Long time we have about Selassie. I do a whole presentation on Selassie before me even know enough about him. I didn't know enough about Selassie to burn him out. Long time. Long time about Selassie. Selassie a tyrant. Selassie a European puppet. Fuck. Marcus Garvey the real man. Marcus Garvey the done. He's not perfect. He's not perfect. None of we not perfect. All me are flaws. But Marcus Garvey never kill off him people them. Facts. You say Marcus Garvey did farm a movement and a kill off people, you know that more remember him. You know that remember Marcus Garvey. Edward Seaga get more praise than Marcus Garvey in our country. And Michael Manley them. More than Marcus Garvey. You know wicked. You know wicked. I give a Rastaman right now. If you just come up on my page right now. I give a Rastaman right now $1,000 just come up on my page and recite a Marcus Garvey poem. Or a Marcus Garvey speech. I bet you can do it for Selassie I do. This big British puppet here come take the face of Rastafarianism and then you come tell man about say, Bo, me have a dread. Jah will never give the power to a bald head. What do you mean by that? Eh? You know say a segregation that. And the man who not praise is a bald head. Jah will never give the power to a bald head and it's a bald head man who not praise. So Selassie I never lax. When lax there? We couldn't, but white people are lax. And Selassie come and look through the plane and soon are afraid to come out. I say, where them there? Afraid. When you glorify a man, you can't understand what I say. Because when you speak him language. When you don't speak Selassie language. The man have to use a translator for understanding. That means you want to get third party information. When you read back Selassie writings through translation. Marcus Garvey, we hear him. Him connect with him, sound like we. Jamaican people, uno sell out, yo, we can't understand, yo, uno stay some man. John won't star, uno stay some. If you play
Fellow citizens of Africa, I greet you in the name of the Universal Negro Improvement Association and African Communities League of the World. You may ask, what organization is that? It is for me to inform you that the Universal Negro Improvement Association is an organization that seeks to unite into one solid body the 400 million Negroes of the world.
Jesus pieces, hear the man. Oh Jesus, oh Jesus. The man say, hear the man say. Listen.
Citizens of Africa, I greet you in the name of the Universal Negro Improvement Association and African.
I greet you in the name of the Universal Negroes Movement. The Universal Negro Foundation. Universal Negro Foundation. That means that the man not get left out because them here can't grow. You understand me? I say bird shit in my head, make my head nah grow. Cause bird shit in my head. You see me I say? So, more to me say I can't be a Rasta. Because bird shit in my head. Never come smoke a spliff. The man say, I greet you. Listen. I sorry me not me speak out here, so why me not me speak, man? Listen.
Fellow citizens of Africa, I greet you in the name of the Universal Negro Improvement Association and African Communities League of the World. You may ask, what organization is that? It is for me to inform you that the Universal Negro Improvement Association is an organization that seeks to unite into one solid body the 400 million Negroes of the world. The link of
The United Negro Association is to unify the over 400 million Negroes of the world. When go to Ethiopia, when go to Ethiopia and Bobo Hill. If I'm in Ethiopia, Bobo Hill, that's all on the top about Ethiopia, Bobo Hill. Every Jamaican black man, every African black man, every Caribbean black man, black woman, every Trinidad black man, black woman, the whole of it supposed to be Rastafari or Rastafarian. What are we supposed to say Rastafari? No man is supposed to feel like if you never have no lock, you can't say Rastafari. And them create that. And them create that. And the man them create that. A Christian supposed to can't say she a Rasta or him a Rasta. And the pastor them not supposed to feel like say, yo, if you have on your locks or you say Rasta, you can't worship in the house. So you figure. But because you start idolize and start and deify Selassie, you divide black people. Because you never deify Marcus Garvey. Why? Because Marcus Garvey look like you and black people don't want to worship nothing will look like them. Anything look like black people, them curse it. You're cursing yourself. Remember that. Try all on me. Keep it on the wall. I want to try all on me. None of you will ever look like Selassie. Selassie. None of you. The most you can do is kill you for the truth. None of you will ever look like Selassie and pitney them. None of you. The whole of you look like Marcus. The whole of you look like Marcus Garvey. Remember that. We can see ourselves through Marcus Garvey. We could wrap on the head tight until the blood stop flow. We can never get similar characteristics like Selassie. We can mix with Arab. Or what they call Arab. And European. Body for European and Arab. Facts. When you look at go down the road, when you go in at the ghetto, them you see Beer Marcus Garvey run up and down. Beer Marcus Garvey. Just like how them reverence Nani and a reverence Ikua or Aqua. Right? Different story. Maroons, Christians, Muslims, what are we? What are we supposed to be the United Negroes of the world? And that Marcus Garvey did a fight for. Want to hear it again? Want to hear it again? Me can hear it again. So, you can't say me say so. Talk to them, daddy. Talk to them, daddy.
I greet you in the name of the Universal Negro Improvement Association and African Communities League of the World. You may ask, what organization is that? It is for me to inform you that the Universal Negro Improvement Association is an organization that seeks to unite into one solid body the 400 million Negroes of the world, to link up the 15 million Negroes of the United States of America with the 20 million Negroes of the West Indies, the 40 million Negroes of South and Central America, with the
40 million niggas of South and Central America. The man said the 15 million Negroes in America. The man said the 20 million Negroes in the West Indies. Oh, now wicked. The unifier no shit pan. We need to change. We need somebody real, the Rasta them. So we want a real person we have some form of influence, a Buju or somebody to start a new movement and put Marcus Garvey as the face of Rastafarianism and make them divide it and rule and conquer Rastafarian. They make them have to see how we unite each other. That means that everybody, so them have to come over. So we're going to just point and show the world, say it's not love them a deal, it's not unity them a deal. Somebody needs to make Marcus Garvey the face of Rastafarianism and stop make people feel like so them have to wrap their head tight when the sunlight now catch them here. We want to have the sister them and wrap them here. And not talk about wrap up your ear, wrap up your, or the sister for wrap up her beauty. Our follicles are left open to the sun. You know, so we don't know what we want to do. It no matter if a sister want to do what you want, if a sister want cream out her hair, curl her hair, whatever, we're not supposed to judge nobody in the first place for them outer physical characteristics and everything there. You understand me? I say if a woman want to fix up her hair and fix up herself, she's supposed to feel welcome to be a Rasta, because Rasta is about cleanliness, it's not about the physical, it's about the spiritual. That is what Rastafarianism is supposed to be about. We're not too divisive and we don't want to lick people in the mouth and we're not going to beat people and them something there. Well, you don't come kill me. Yeah. Because what are we for dead? That is imminent. You don't come kill me. Me nah stop telling you. Nobody never tell you this before. Well, me nah stop telling you. Because the one man we know the truth, he nah talk, Muta Baruka, know the truth. He come out and burn out Phantom Moja. And now burn out Selassie. Or if he burn out Phantom Moja and now burn out Selassie, Muta Baruka. And you depend radio every day upon Jesus and upon Christianity and them something. So why about upon Christianity and Selassie was the biggest Christian? Selassie was the biggest Christian. Selassie praised Jesus Christ. We hear that from interview. And we read that, and here we hear that. The one man who come tell you now, we're bright and educated, the man hide it. Hide him and hide it. So we have one Phantom for low Phantom making go have him 3 some them and him 4 some them and him win some them. Low Phantom Muta. Cause you pussyfoot around the real issues. The real issues Rastafarianism divided black people. The one where them have now what they call Rastafarianism. It divide we. Facts. Facts. Sizzla come out in call out. Cape Town, no na come fix up Bobo Hill. Bugle, no na come fix up Bobo Hill. Buju, no na come fix up Bobo Hill. How comes in a carnival head? But should we hear? Some of we hear can't grow Sizzla. Bird shit in our head. That nah grow. Done. What's the matter? Bird do know with head, me general. You don't invite no ball head. The ball head them make certain say that paint. The ball head them make certain say we have artifacts from Africa in there. The ball head them not come sweep up there. Yeah. But you know want glorify Selassie and you know say enough people not see eye to eye with Selassie as no God. Majority of Baalheads now worship Selassie as no God. And there's a reason why. Because them subconsciously know say him is a wicked man. I was a wicked man. Them not even know say them know. You see them love Marcus when Marcus gave it time, they talk about Marcus. You ever hear Marcus yet? Never. But just to not talk about him, they remember. They remember about him. Because them not having on the news regular. And them not having none of songs. No one remember old Marcus Garvey. Majority are all of the great leaders of this world. The one them with them kill, Sankara, Steve Biko, the one from the Black Panther Party. No one calling him for that on my page. Because in mark till this day. The ex, Luther, if you know whatever you want to say about Luther, them grab on him at the last minute. Because then go find out say him a cheat on his wife and then we want to expose him and him get covered. So you go. And that because they make man feel like them have to hide and cheat. So them create them Eurocentric doctrine to make man lions have to hide, to have tribe. So you got to lion and hide. So then catch Martin Luther King for video recording. Video recording a paint other woman, have sex with other woman and decides if he go kill himself. And for the black people then come out and stand with him and say, oh, you mean the man a lion? Then start distance themselves from him. The Marcus Garvey start backstep. No, Marcus Garvey, sorry. Martin Luther. Excuse me. Yep. But look around the world. Majority of the great leaders are bald. Facts. Patrice Lumumba, bald. None of you can argue the points. Most of you can do a throat tantrum. Go look at a song, go find a hit song. I can't fuck my. And that's what we are talking about. That's a hard woman. What we are talking about is to unify black people. And the movement that could have unified black people when Marcus Garvey coined, him and Leonard Howell, they came up with, as a matter of fact, Marcus Garvey came up with the idea and Leonard Howell come to Jamaica come formulate it. Facts. See? So nobody get it twisted. That's why you hear the man attack. The man say, yeah, the United Negroes Association. At first me I hear that, you know? Every day until the color of a man's skin, and every day this a war, and actions speak louder than words, people. The real point: Rastafarianism divide black people into different all over the place. We divide it. Right now in the Rastafarian movement, they have Bobo, you have one different something over there, so you have one different part people over there, so you have one different. Right now in the Rastafarian movement, you have different organizations or different sections in the Rastafarian movement. Right now in Jamaica, you have 12 tribes. You have this. What? I know that Marcus Garvey did that about. Marcus Garvey said them Negroes Association, the Unified Negroes Association, and that Marcus was about. Stop criticizing Rasta movement. And the man, Natty Rebel, come in, Natty Rebel. Come in, Natty Rebel. Rope in, Natty Rebel. You see it? Stop criticizing Rasta movement. Nobody not be on reproach. Because when you criticize Christianity, when you criticize everything. So when you can't talk about people that criticize Rastafarian movement. If you don't live right, people for call no. And that Rastafarianism stand for. If you burn on corruption and them thing there. And divide and rule. That Rastafarianism stand for. So when I ball now. And stop criticize Rastafarian movement. Because I'm a Rasta. I want to know. I'm a Rasta. You can't take that from me. Me a Rasta. Rasta. Remember that. Straight. The things that the European make care about tribes and which tribe they come from when they carry up on the ship. Our ancestors on the ship. But we are our ancestors, so we have to talk in the present. When them a carry on the ship, they may care. Which tribe they come from? Did they care? No. Them say Negroes. So when the great Marcus Garvey come and say, unify the Negroes them around the world, me a part of that. I want to take that from me. I want to come tell me, say, to me ear not grow. I don't want to take that from me. When they come on the ship too. We are with ancestors. And we are telling them stories. And we are remind people, say, yo, this is what them do to our ancestors. So we there have to tell a story. So I want to take that from the youth then. I want to take that from people who want to subscribe to other things. It no matter which religion, whatever you're supposed to can say, yo, you are into unity. Whether you want to subscribe to the sun, the moon, the stars, whatever. If you want to go pray to a tree. If you want to involve in animism, the fact still remains. So when Marcus Garvey did that, say, have to unify all Negroes. That means that nobody is supposed to shoot with them like birds, because we unified. Nobody is supposed to see we and about say, oh, they were in fear of their lives and to shoot with them. If we unified, we have insurance, we have lawyers, we have judges, we have all kind of things in our back pocket. The people them have lawyers and judges and all of them things and a pay for politician going to government and them something there. You know, see how them control the world. We're too divided. A house that is divided cannot stand. Know them thing there. When you kill Marcus Garvey dream and you give to Selassie. Because Selassie was tribal. So the Selassie energy is in the Rastafarian movement to this day. Because Selassie was tribal. He made the Wallow people them starving at the famine. And never even ask for help for them. The man keep a birthday party with the white people them and all kind of dignitaries from around the world. I keep a 80th birthday party in the middle of a famine. We have video on that, people. The man I give gift. We were millions, gold sword and gold gifts to dictators around the world. The man give the Iran dictator, the brother from Iran, the wicked man from Iran, the man got give gift when people them need it. Selassie was a tribal. The Tigray people have nothing good to say about him. The Wallow people have nothing good to say about him. I can go like a two-man sing to look at girl song, I can't talk as a Rasta. You ask the Eritrea people them right now about Selassie. You kill them and kill them. You think you can talk, you think you can tell Eritrea people about Selassie. I run them. Eritrea people don't know why you're nothing about him. Man, the tribal people and the Rastafarian movement are move over tribalism people. Straight. Understand that. Come out and talk about Rasta for roping and Rasta for this and Rasta. When a ball head call you out to not talk about when I bring badness. How Rasta doing a badness? How comes Rasta involved in a badness when Marcus Garvey said to unite? Too much bad man Rasta. How there's so much bad man Rasta? Rasta can't be gunman. We have to know that. Not for we not talk about Rasta and have a lockdown and gunman apart with. No pa una have a locks and about una rasta, una now go to the dan them and the bad man them and tell me say, yo, what una do? And not this Marcus Garvey the dream about. Una prefer have them in our back pocket or have them at arm's length so una can send them go kill people. When people diss you know. Nobody can talk about you, nobody can call you a name. When I want to send man come page man and lick man in the mouth. Rasta not be gunman, Rasta can't be gunman, and Rasta can't mix with gunman or bad man. When a man deal with Rastafarianism, you're supposed to have unconditional love for your people them. I want to do. I want to propagate this thing until it reaches worldwide. All white people want to make. All white people want to make come jump up and go. Selassie. White people do not even know say you're Marcus Garvey. How much white people know about Marcus? How much? The whole of them know about Selassie. When Selassie used to fight for them, and Marcus used to fight for we. Selassie used to fight for them. Marcus used to fight for us. Man go to prison for the man dead. Drop down and dead because of we. Remember that. Selassie send the Ethiopian military or Air Force into a war where world is dead in a Korea. What if you send black people go fight an holy war? And about diplomacy. Diplomacy what? Come see them never. When war go on, when them war raid, when them war running from some place in Africa, you know who's standing down there? Remember that? See, and them say wicked, say my dictator. He stand up like that too. Check on the history. Yeah? Know that. Yeah, Rasta. None of them can take that from me. None of them. Yeah, Rasta. Me not be sing song about no Selassie. Me not be sing song about no Jack and no Ray and natty up my head. Me a Rasta. Because I'm a unifier. I am Marcus. I want to. Me a Marcus Garvey. Me a no Selassie. Me a Marcus. Know that. Me a Rasta. I found una deal with unity for black people. Una Rasta. A Rasta. Understand that. Nobody tell me about nothing not up on the head. If you go beat drum and dance and him something you sing praises and all them things. It's crazy. On a festival if man not up them head and don't want to put man for a festival. Two man don't look like natty man feel like put on a Rasta hat. For the European festival because when they make white European promoters feel like say I just Rasta locks and them things they alone and natty up and jaw and Rastafari alone Rastafarianism is about. Rastafarianism is about unity. But when you create this whole narrative and make all white people around the world where promote shows feel like say if you're not bubble, if you're not have a turban, if you're not have a locks, you can't go up on a festival. I don't have a problem with no image. But you know, set the thing as if say a person have to have certain features. A Morgan Heritage them alone come out there come say, don't have to dread to be Rasta. And now when them sing that, you know, still, I go on like say, yo, you know, hear the man them. Man say the heart, you never hear Morgan them. Think a simple song that. Don't have the dread to be Rasta. That can't slow Bob Marley, Jah will never give no power to no ballad. Man, come set it straight. That's how it go. Evolution. I just Bob Marley recycle through them and fix the message. You ready? Let's do it. You see it? Me never even know say him said that. Me never even know say him said that Bandolero. If him said that, me not tell you say Muta is a man who more time go half key, man. Muta is a man go half key more time, you know. I don't know that too. Very half key sometimes. And him know too, but him not. Muta is a condescending Rasta, you know. You have to know that, you know. Very feisty too. So you have to understand that about Muta. Muta is a man in bright and educated and I'm a teacher, but I just one of the professors who condescending. You understand him I say? Yeah. Very, 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 very condescending. And him know too. And him stayed away there. So I say? Him stayed away there, but I say, carry the boy I go cut him. Yes, you cut him and say, oh, I need your cut up and shape up.
No, I never said that.
You want to be a Rasta? You want Rasta? You want to make your hair dreadlocks? No, right? So you want to shape it up, make it look cute.
Wait, what?
Yep, just cool the man, just shape up it, make it look cute. You know when the girls them see and say you look nice.
All right, you hear some interesting facts that are coming out. All I can say is people have to study. You listen to what a man say, then you do your own research and you come to your own conclusions. And here's the biggest conclusion. Guess what? Like, comment, subscribe, share, and show that you care. I am Daddy Reddss. I am the reggae ambassador. And I will always cause a musical massacre. Dread out for now. This is Talking News.